Hi.
Oh, now we are not as good as those other YouTubers, you know? They're just so darn funny.
Come on.
Don't be scared. It's okay. It's okay, kid.
I ain't got no crystal ball, but I had $1 million, but I spent it all. But okay, if you want to talk about something else.
I would if I was more.
You know, we barely known each other for like 5 years,
And we're cousins.
Except I lived in the valley and, you know, moved to ghetto ass, boring ass Palmdale, right?
It's a ball. Yeah, Palmdale.
Yeah. So 5 years.
That my mom.
She used to think I was like, what would just tell me that I was like tall? What would you say? That she would just see me and she'll be like, this tall girl or something like that. You told me last time. You told me.
Yeah.
Carla, think.
Me no member.
No, she does.
I don't remember, dude. God, why are you putting shenanigans in my head? So today, we moved the couch from one side of the street to the other, like Juno. Because look,
have you seen Juno?
Here's the thing. I saw the couch, and I wanted a couch in my room, and I was like, shit, it's a fucking couch. And it was just chilling in front of like this place. And I mean, I know you may think it's ghetto, but I really don't give a fuck. It's just that I needed a couch.
Fuck it.
And fuck it. We're gonna do that. Fuck it. But yeah, we.
Chola Adventures. Anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, just go.
Okay. So I called her, and then she's like, alright, I'm coming over. We're going to move this thing. And then, so she came over, and then I was like, alright, let's go get the couch. So we went, and we got the couch, and we were moving it, and it smelled like piss. And I was like, dude, it smells like piss. And I was like, but we can still clean it. It's all good. It's not a problem. It's just urine.
You know?
Yeah, so then I called my brother, because he lives, like, right over there.
Not real brother.
Not real brother. And I was like, hey, can you clean a couch for me? And he's like, I don't know. And then I was like,
cough, he was high.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So we called, you know, and then I was like, where are you? He's like, I'm down the street, I see you. And I was like, oh crap. He's like, who's that tall girl with you? And I was just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, anyway, he got there, and then he's like, I can't clean this thing. And I was like, okay, then well, you gotta take it back. And he's like, man, I'm not taking it back, you take it back. And I was like, nah, I'm not taking it back. And then he got the couch, dragged it across the street, and just left it there. And I was
on the other side.
I was like, are you freaking
That's embarrassing for me, because we were Anyways, that was just random. Yeah, we were like, yeah.
Did you hear the little point? Yeah. So yeah.
It's about to finish. Let me look for another song and you talk.
Yeah, and
Speak.
Look, I made
new Facebook. Wait, I
made this for my novio. I don't know if you can see it, but it's really cute. It has a marshmallow and a kitty, and it says I love you. And there's a little fishy, if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell. I put a lot of detail into it. There's a flower, and there's a tree and a bird, and the sun is smiling, and there's clouds. It took me a very long time to make. I'm gonna say like probably like 2 days straight if I counted up all the hours, like 48 hours. I told her not to put Chris Brown because I do not like him, but I like this song, so I'll let it pass.
I love him. I actually like him.
Deuces.
You know my brother actually likes the song?
And I told you I liked it too.
I was
Which is a surprise. People like his music again. After he beat the shit. She likes him.
Shut up. Don't talk shit. For the birds. You ain't nothing but
We were.
These are balls. From Japanese.
This is a ball.
And deformed ball.
Oh no.
That was the deformed one.
Oh no, it was so cool. Well, I'm gonna put it in there.
They grow big, kind of, in a way.
They do.
Right?
Yeah, they grow pretty big.
Oh.
My little cousin gave them to me.
Karina. Hi, Karina.
Don't watch this.
Oh yeah, don't watch this.
This is inappropriate. All that, stop everything. Hello? My imagination called.
Oh wow, I knew it.